Testing audio. All right, it seems like everything is working fine. Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed and I live in Seattle, Washington right now, and I'm an engineering manager. So this is my first time doing a live broadcast, so I've been having issues. Please bear with me. Today I'd like to talk about artificial intelligence. A lot of people don't know what artificial intelligence is, or they're afraid of, like mostly movies like Terminator and stuff. People are afraid of like robots and artificial intelligence and stuff like that. So artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence by computers. So whenever computers are trying to simulate human intelligence, we call it artificial intelligence. So we have like the different levels. First of all, as humans, we learn, and as humans, we reason, and as humans, we correct ourselves. So the goal is artificial intelligence to have all of those. It can learn, it can reason, and it can correct itself. So the tool that I like to talk about specifically is called ChatGPT today. What is ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is a chatbot. So it's a bot that you chat, just like you're texting anyone else. You can text this AI bot, and you can ask questions, and you can give some input, and it can just comment on that. So how you use ChatGPT is going by openai.com and click try ChatGPT, and it's going to ask you to sign up, and you're going to need to enter your phone number, and it's going to send you a verification code. But whenever you sign up, you're going to end up some screen like this. Now the screen may look different, but this is how it looks on the mobile device. So what you can do is there's a text prompt down here. You can type anything here, and then the AI will respond to you. Now people think about, people thought that AI was not good enough for that kind of stuff, but whenever they saw the ChatGPT and how good it is, now a lot of people are convinced that AI is here, and it's going to change a lot of stuff. So I asked ChatGPT, what is AI? AI, it says, is an artificial intelligence, is the simulation of human intelligence processed by computers, including learning, the acquisition of information, and rules for using the information, reasoning, using the rules to reach approximate or definite conclusions, and self-correction. So you can write anything here you want. Like if you don't know something, let's say you don't know how to make a burger, you can say how to make a good burger, and then it's going to tell you how actually. So it says choose quality ground beef with a high fat content, so it has to be 80-20. Season with salt and pepper before cooking. Cook on hot grill or desired doneness, to desired doneness. Toast the buns to grill, and you add your topics like cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, mustard, and ketchup. It says serve hot and enjoy. So you can see that this AI tool can answer any questions you have. Well, not any, but it can answer a lot of questions that you have. And you can actually use this tool to make a lot of good stuff. So for example, if you don't know how to start a company, you could say how to start a company. And as you can see, it's just creating step by step how you can start a company. Now, we can use this at work. How can we use it? Let's say you have a product. Let's say, what product shall I say? Let's say you have an egg cooker that you want to sell. And you're doing Amazon business and you want to write product description there. And, like you can write it yourself, but you can have this tool to give you an idea. Let's say I sell egg cooker on Amazon. Write me a product description. Let's say it is electric. And let's say it's smart. Now we can see that this ChatGPT tool can output your product description that you can copy and paste. So it says introducing the smart electric egg cooker, the ultimate solution for perfectly cooked eggs every time. With its precise temperature control and automatic shut-off, this egg cooker makes it easy to enjoy and perfectly boiled, etc., etc. So let's say my egg cooker just looks beautiful, and I like to say it also looks very good top shelf, and it's quiet. Let's say our egg cooker is quiet and it's not screaming and it looks, good on top shelf. So you can see that this AI tool can take the previous, output, and then it can combine it with my new input. Looks good on top shelf and it's quiet. Now I'm not sure where it added, but yeah, it's here. Its sleek and stylish design will complement any kitchen decor. And I'm pretty sure, okay, here it is. In addition, this egg cooker operates quietly. So any questions that you have or anything that you want, you can ask this tool, and then this tool is going to generate, responses for you. So do you guys have any idea what we can ask here or what we cannot? So this multi-platform, like this streaming tool, if you write that to chat, I can see them here. If not, I'll continue. All right, I'm going to continue. So I didn't know how to do a live stream. So what I did is I asked ChatGPT yesterday. I have been wanting to write a book. I listened to a podcast of somebody who wrote and published a book under 8 hours using AI, ChatGPT specifically. I'm excited. I like to encourage people to start using AI by being an example to them. And I said, write me a social media script where I'm going to read live. So basically, this was my input. I wanted to write a book using AI, and I wanted to announce this over social media. So what I did is I gave this input to this tool, AI, ChatGPT, and it prompted me this. Hey everyone, I've been wanting to write a book for a while now, and I recently listened to podcasts where someone wrote and published a book under 8 hours using AI, specifically ChatGPT. I was so excited by this, and I decided to use AI to write my own book, and I want to share the process with you all. I'll be live streaming my writing process and sharing updates on my progress. I hope that by showing how easy and accessible AI can be, I'll inspire some of you to give it a try as well. Thanks for following along. So basically, this is the script that I read my first live stream. And I said, people don't know me, so I'd like you to add an introduction of myself. Let's say I'm a volunteer at Mosque and I'm an engineering manager at AI company. I'm excited that AI will bring what AI will bring in the future, and I live in Seattle, Washington. So it said, "Hey everyone, my name is." It created a this area where you can add your name, and it said, "I'm excited to share my journey of writing a book using AI with all of you." And it added this little about me section here, and I said, "I don't want you to put this placeholder here and write my name," and you can see that it was able to understand like this was my name, and it replaced it with my name. "Hey everyone, my name is Mohammed." And I'm announcing this, but I want people to follow me along. So I said prompt social media follow, and then it created this text here. "Don't forget to follow me on social media to stay updated on my progress and join the conversation. I'll be sharing behind the scenes looks at my writing process, insights, and how I'm using AI, and tips for anyone interested in writing their own book. See you there." Now you can see that those two are different, and what I prompt is combine them. So it was able to understand that, and it was able to generate this like the script for me. And I thought that I want to show the power of AI. It's not about like writing a book and how can it research anything for me. So I said it's not only a book, and it can apply to anywhere. So make it general. So you can see that it created this and removed the books, and it made it way too general this time. So remove the book and said achieve my goals with all of you. And I said I like the script, but I still want to tell them the current project is about writing a book. And it added this. I'm excited to share my journey of using AI to achieve my current project, which is writing a book. And then next one, I made a correction here. This time I didn't ask any questions. So I took its output, I made a correction, and I just pasted my input here. And then you can see the response. "Great, that's clear and conscious introduction that highlights your background, your belief in the power of AI, and the specific project you're working on. The last sentence also encourages followers to stay updated and join the conversation on social media." And I made a small change here, and just writing a book was not good, so I read a religious book and I finalized the script here. So this is how you can utilize AI. So AI knows, this ChatGPT tool actually knows, the script that's going to work on social media. So I use this AI tool to generate me a script where I can read it. So this kind of stuff, like you can think about literally anything, like because artificial intelligence here to simulate and replace like the human brain and actually become better than humans. And with automation, like you can do a lot of stuff. Like whenever these machines start, they already make decisions, but whenever these machines start making a lot of decisions, and whenever they control robots, then it's going to affect a lot of things. Anyways, so this is the tool. This is just a tool for now. You can use it to achieve your goal. Like if you're a marketing person, you can have it write a marketing material for you. Or if you are, I don't know, let's say, I don't know what sickness is actually. Let's talk about, let's ask it to tell us about something flu. Let's say recommend me drugs for flu. I'm pretty sure it's not going to respond to that. As you can see, it's thinking. So this AI model is actually one of the biggest models, like the biggest artificial intelligence projects, let's say, and it took lot of data to train, and it's also costly to operate that. So this OpenAI, the parent company of ChatGPT, they are probably spending millions of dollars on infrastructure. So for that reason, this is the research version that I'm using, but they are going to create a subscription-based version where you can subscribe, and they're going to prioritize your answers, so you wouldn't wait like this we are waiting here. And coming back to drugs for flu, I'm pretty sure they might have restricted that because it's just healthcare and they don't want to deal with FDA or anyone else. Anyways, it seems like it's not going to respond right now. Yep, it didn't go through. All right. So what we are going to do is we are going to use ChatGPT specifically to research some religious topics, and we are going to use it to write a book. And I've never read a book before, and I'm actually going to ask ChatGPT, how to write a book and what are the best practices. I'm going to do some research myself too on, best practices, and I'm going to start this journey. So let's see how it goes. If you have any inputs, please let me know. And if you want to start your own project, feel free to do so we can do it together. And that's it. I'll see you next time.